우리 어디 가요?
우리 칸쿤 가요.
Cut his hair really short this time. 선우.
응?
선우 이거 봐. 선우 머리 봐. 치즈 해봐. We're about to head to the airport. I made like this tofu rice. It's called chobap for the kids to eat. Some goodies for the kids to keep them busy in the airplane. And then diaper for Sanu.
타봐 일로 와봐.
Love these bags that we got from Korea. Yanu is vlogging too with his camera. Wow. So the kids finished their food that I made, and then I'm just eating chicken salad sandwich, and then the jalapeno chips. So they're just having juice for now. 곤 치고 있네.
천천히 가. 천천히 이쁘게 천천히.
우와. 비행기 타. 이거 비행기야. 비행기. Fireman. It's a big car. So we are walking to our room. 우리 맘마 먹으러 가자.
맘마 친구이 어때?
도착. 예.
We're eating Mexican food. Pretty sunset. Good night. The kids are asleep. So we ordered some room service food. We got hot dog and what do we get? Buffalo wings. Eating chilling on the couch. Good morning. 뭐야? 안 돼, 이거 가져가면 안 돼. 캡처 있다고?
캡처.
Eating slept on the couch.
엄마. 아줌마가 집을 사주면 안 돼?
Weather for today. It's gonna rain or shower a little bit in the early afternoon.
바다에 상어랑 거북이 있는데 찾아놨어.
Post us from home. Late night snack from last night. They ended up coming really late. Did they come at like 1 a.m.? When we ordered at 9 a.m. So I ended up falling asleep. So Aiden ate by himself. 뭐라고? Where are we going?
오늘은 그냥 여기서 놀고 내일 거기 섬에 가자. 이 사람들은 거기서 이런 데 빌렸어. 나 이런 거 해보고 싶어. 써요? 이제 어디 갈 거예요 우리?
Off to eat breakfast.
그거 시위 걸러 갖고 해요.
똥 해야 되는 것 같아. 똥 해, 손에 똥. 그래서 poop.
준비인다? 바꾸가?
Wanna finish pooping. So we have to go back in the room. Oh man, it's hot. Fun stuff for the kids. I think they're gonna just eat like cereal and maybe bread, bagels. 맛있어? 여기 손 닦아. 손을 이렇게.
조회 촬영 거 늦어요. 나 심대로 할 거예요. 지금 나는 좀비 운동을 해야 돼요.
준비 운동 해야 돼요?
So the kids weren't eating a lot of the food at the buffet, so I'm just feeding some kim and rice. 여기 와. 김.
엄마,
응?
난 우리 바다 갖고 해요.
We're gonna go swimming now. 조개 잡으러 가자. We are at the beach. I mean the pool area, and then we'll go to the beach later.
We'll leave at 9 in the morning and you come back 5
We're gonna get like this package thing for snorkeling, not snorkeling, submarine.
가서 뛰라고. 뛰어.
와, 선우도 가. The kids are playing in the sand. 조개 찾아봐요. Remember, Sonu was scared of the sand last time, but on the last day, finally played in it. Now he's okay. And then last time he didn't want to swim at all, and this time even on the first day he swam. Yay, improvements!
들어. 여기 앉아. 여기 앉아.
Enjoying this view. Yana became a mermaid. 얘는 뭐 됐어? 상어. 와. We're back home now. We ordered some food because the kids are tired after swimming.
됐다. It wasn't like this yesterday.
옛날에도 it wasn't like that. So we are drying our swimsuits and stuff. Look at Aiden's sunburn. 짠짠 가자, 짠짠. So Aiden found a playground here that we didn't know of. only wanted to play in the play area. It's like a daycare.
전화줄래?
They'll call us up on if they cry. So they like watch the kids temporarily. If I have to eat or something. This is one through 4-year-olds, and then the other room, it's 5-year-olds. Huh? Oh, they did? We are here at the sushi restaurant. Thank you. Cocktail.
라면도 있네.
Really? Eden says really good.
Also there,
Thank
there
you.
is the Philadelphia, the spicy tuna, and the dragon there.
The kids are crying. They called the restaurant, so Eden went to go pick them up.